Hi guys, as I have mentioned Uguti, today it's a Thursday. I am starting the very first kambi ibizwa ngani? Akuyona i-BBL, akuyona yeah, kodwa kona lokho kuno-liposuction, kuno-laser, kodwa angisiki. So sizodila nalo. Niyambona lo? Lo huye lo inkinga. So I am visiting 20th Avenue. They are located at the Kings Park. Yabona nje laba abazithekwini mangabe use-Kings Park, behind the Kings Park kunama-offices la uthola khona ama-therapists, ama-dietitians. So i-therapist yami-ke is based there. So today I am anxious. I don't know what to expect exactly, but yeah, ngesibone ukuthi bazoncipha yini otakwethu no nalo. Niyambona ukuthi mngakanani. Baye bathi ungabe unomkhaba, just dress for your body. Yingakho ningaboni umkhaba wami waziwa yimina, kodwa-ke namhlanje ngizodila nawo nge-straight line. So asambeni-ke, do follow me as we go and see the people who are going to make me have a flat tummy njengezinye iy'ngane nami. Yabo? Yes. We are here. This is nerve-wracking. I'm so anxious. Angazi noma isisami bazosika bayokhanda amaphilisi ngazo noma bazosika bayofita iy'mbuzi ngaso. Kodwa okusalayo, I don't want the stomach. It must go away. There is the place that we are going to, 20th Avenue.